your eyewitness weather forecast.
Happy New Year's Eve to you. I'm meteorologist Brian James. I got some more impactful weather to talk about, especially as we go through tomorrow into the upcoming weekend with colder air and that potential for some lake effect accumulation. So tonight we have scattered showers around, rain showers, but that's going to mix with and change over to snow late tonight and also during the day tomorrow. Long duration lake effect snow event where some spots could be measuring snow in feet by the time it's done. Cold air continues for this week, and it looks like, or this is the rest of this week into next week as well. Lake effect snow warning has been issued. You can see it encompasses a large chunk of the viewing area from Watertown to Utica over towards Syracuse. This is going to be that band that comes off of Lake Ontario. Just depends on how it situates itself, and occasionally some of those bands are going to cause near whiteout conditions, especially with the gusty winds that we're going to have on Thursday. But that potential for 2 to 3 feet of snow will certainly be there Wednesday afternoon through Sunday afternoon. So we're not talking about this happening in just 24 to 36 hours. It's going to be a longer duration event, about 3.5, maybe 4 days long. Wednesday, we're talking about falling temperatures in the afternoon, rain changing to snow, upper 30s to around 40 early on, and then on Thursday, it's going to be cold. Temperatures back down near the freezing mark, and we have even colder air coming in as we go through the rest of this week into next week. Right now, a mix of 30s and 40s. Really haven't, again, moved much since 6 o'clock, and we do keep this warm air around through tomorrow morning, and then it starts to move out as we go through the day tomorrow. Satellite radar showing the scattered showers coming on in from the southwest, and there's certainly more back to the southwest. On the backside, where they got the cold air, there's the snow, but that colder air is going to get pulled in, so that rain will change the snow for us during the day tomorrow for most of us, and some of us late tonight into early tomorrow morning. You can see the precip chances, they're going to be high tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all the way through Sunday. And then by the time we get to early parts of the week, it looks a little bit better. Lower opportunities for precip, but not zero, so more like scattered snow showers if we see anything at that point. So upper 30s tomorrow with that front moving in. That means temperatures fall as we go through the afternoon. 30 on Thursday, then 20s, teens and 20s for the weekend and early next week. Yeah, it's going to stay cold and feel colder around here. Feel more like winter as we go through most of next week. Futurecast for tonight, ringing in the new year with a few scattered showers around, and nothing overly heavy, but yeah, a few showers as we turn the page on 2025. 37 degrees to start the day in the morning, then in the afternoon, here's the rain showers mixing with and changing over to snow. Temperatures drop back down to the low to mid 30s by the time we get to Wednesday afternoon. Now look at the snow continue as we go into midnight, going into Thursday morning. That lake effect band starts to take shape across the I-90 corridor, Syracuse and just south of Utica, but that's going to waffle back and forth for noon, may lift a little farther north. Occasionally those bursts of snow will kind of go up and down the I-90 corridor. 30 degrees for the high temperature. That's it on Thursday. And how much snow can we see through Thursday? Again, this is just through Thursday. We're talking about some spots that could pick up in excess of 7 to 10 inches of snow if that lake effect band gets situated. Again, it can move a little bit more north or south. Just make sure you're being prepared and you have the necessary elements in your vehicle in case you happen to get stranded. For tonight, we're back down to a mix of 30s, but remember, rain showers, those will mix with and change over to snow tomorrow. Mid 30s to around 40, but again, falling temperatures. Here comes the snow, and it's going to stick around through the weekend. Cold air certainly keeps coming in all the way through most of next week. Back to you.
Thank you, Brian. That's